Okay guys, today we are having fruit salad. So these are our fruit. We have banana, we have apple, we have orange, we have grape, and we have sweet melon and clove seed. And this is the yogurt. I mix two kind of yogurt, normal yogurt and sweet yogurt, and I put a little bit of sugar because my honey is finished, so I do not have honey here, so that's why I decided to put a little bit sugar. Normally I don't put sugar, I put honey only. Yeah, so let's start. I'm putting the clove seed. So now we will go for the fruit first. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we will mix it. Turning flour into love again. Zainab Kitchen, oh Zainab Kitchen. Every plate feels like a hug from you. From love to laughter, from spice to song, you teach us joy where we belong. Through every meal, we feel your care. Zainab Kitchen, you're always there. So oh, Zainab Kitchen, oh Zainab Kitchen. You make the world taste bright and new. Zainab Kitchen, sweet tradition. Every flavor shines through you. As you can see, how does look? Delicious. It looks yummy. It looks so delicious. It looks yummy. So guys, please go and follow me on YouTube. It's at Zainab Kitchen. Please follow me and like at Zainab Kitchen. Okay, it's done, guys. You see how it's look? See how it's look? So yummy, very yummy. So you guys gonna try it, you will love it. Absolutely yummy. Zainab Kitchen, oh Zainab Kitchen. Happiness is cooking in your hands. Zainab Kitchen, sweet magician. Turning flour into love again. Zainab Kitchen, oh Zainab Kitchen. Every plate feels like a hug from you.